Are you tired of working hard but still feeling like you're barely scraping by? You're hustling, putting in the hours, yet that bank account never seems to grow past a certain point. The truth is, it's often the small, seemingly insignificant habits that are silently draining your wealth. In this video, we're diving deep into the 7 most common habits that keep people stuck in a cycle of financial struggle and how to break free from them. The first and probably most common habit is living beyond your means. It's about constantly feeling the need to impress others, financing a lifestyle you can't truly afford, and relying on credit cards to bridge the gap. The solution? It's time to get real with your spending. Download a budgeting app, track every dollar, and create a realistic budget that aligns with your income and goals. Remember the 50/30/20 rule: 50% of your income goes towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. Imagine facing unexpected expenses without any financial cushion. That's the reality of living without an emergency fund. It's like walking a tightrope without a safety net. Having an emergency fund isn't about being pessimistic, it's about being prepared. Start small, even if it's just $50 or $100 a month. Ideally, you want to work your way up to having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Relying on a single source of income in today's economy is risky business. If something happens to that one source, your financial stability crumbles. Diversifying your income is crucial. Think about your skills and interests. Could you freelance on the side? Start an online business? Drive for a ride-sharing service? Even an extra $100 or $200 a month can make a world of difference. The more income streams you have, the more resilient your finances become. Ignoring investing is a big mistake. If you're not investing, you're essentially losing money every single day due to inflation. Investing helps you outpace inflation and grow your wealth over the long term. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to start investing. There are plenty of beginner-friendly options like index funds and ETFs. Start small, automate your investments, and watch your money work for you. Keeping up with others is a surefire way to drain your bank account. Remember, what you see on social media is often a carefully curated facade. Unfollow accounts that trigger feelings of inadequacy or envy. Follow accounts that inspire you, educate you, and align with your values. Avoiding financial education is a common mistake. Financial literacy is an essential life skill that everyone should strive to acquire. The good news is, it's never too late to start learning. There are countless resources available today, from books and podcasts to online courses and financial advisors. Short-term thinking keeps you stuck in a cycle of debt and financial instability. Choosing instant gratification over long-term gains is costly. Think about the long-term impact of your financial decisions. Small, consistent changes can lead to big results over time. If you saw yourself in any of these habits, don't beat yourself up. The first step to change is awareness. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which habit you're breaking first. Your financial freedom starts today.